Don't get me wrong ne. Marangazi man kuna something nje ngapha nje kubo makhe. Athi ngavele ngithi klep singibheke ukuthi kudliwane enhle ngale mfethu. Yo, yazi uburebi vethu soloko 1 goal. Bese sihlala ebenchini. Eliyachaza ihambule kabi lentwana le. Very humble. Uvela ngene 1 goal. Ayosihlalela phansi. Uyabona lento bathi a brick a day takes you far. Bawuthi yabheka uzobune wall akaze hamba kanjalo or whatever. But all I want to say, bro, I love this boy's consistency mfethu. Yabona uMuremi, I love Muremi's consistency and akayenzi this thing just only for Orlando Pirates. But he does this also for Bafana Bafana, bro. If ungabheka ama substitute kaMuremi, he scores. When he's playing a game, he scores. And ubheka ne-impact yalentwana mfethu. He's very, I know much, I don't wanna lie. Our forward style of play is not because me I feel like ngabe sithi Mbule Mufuke ngasambeni apolice, yabo? But I don't know what our coach is getting or what ne. Mare Muremi just uye lo mlilo nyangali kunabo police. Mare Muremi eda yabona uphethe iparafini abo police abo Mbule abo bani iparafini ne. Umuremi leza sticks so matches nje usilahlelayo vele to vutha umlilo. I love this boy's consistency, bro. And akazami kakhulu yena icoach yangichaza yamkhipha nakupha kani yabayamkhipha mara still ayipheli imoya goal mfake nje goal semele simchange igama sasomuremi umagoal ayazikorela intwana lezithulelo ehlala ebenchini kuphela. Oh.